Hey everybody, welcome back. Remember, there's a link in the video description below that'll take you to the website where you can see prices for all these kits and all the options that are available for those kits that do have options. So this is a 5-row kit. This is alternating designs like you see them flowing right here, clockwise, counterclockwise. These go on the Polaris Slingshot. Those are direct bolt-on ring. And so we're just going through the final testing phase here, getting ready to ship these out. I know Jerry's anxious for them. We've been communicating back and forth about them quite a bit. So we're going to get these boxed up, and I got 3 other sets going out Monday. It's Friday evening right now. Graduation's tomorrow. My son's graduating, so I won't be available this weekend. But anyway, if you want something like this, if you want something custom made, reach out to me, let me know. Other than that, thanks for watching, thanks for your support, and see you guys on the next video.